Let us interpret or discuss the Rutherford sulfur scattering experiment. We know that Rutherford carried out an experiment with alpha particles coming out from a radioactive source like bismuth, polonium, etc. etc. And it was targeted on a gold foil or of very thin size, and which resulted that most of the alpha particles are deviated at different directions at 90 degree, at 120, at 135. Only one or two alpha particles, one of 8,000 or one out of 18,000, are rebounded at 180-degree reversal after hitting the nucleus due to co-repulsive potential or repulsion of the nucleus. This amply proves that most of the spaces outside the nucleus is hollow. That is, the most of the spaces of atom is hollow, and only the nuclear periphery, is positively charged because alpha particles are 2H4, the helium particles, are positively charged. And as they are rebounded or repelled, it means that they are of same charge because same charge repulse each other. So as alpha is being rebounded or repulsed, this means that the central part of the nucleus is positively charged. So we have a positively charged nucleus, and as only one or two alpha particles are rebounded or retarded, it means that the inside space of an atom or the nuclear space is very much smaller in size. That it was proved that it is of the dimension of 10 to the power minus 15 to 10 to the power minus 16 meter. But Rutherford's conclusions and observations has some faulty effects. It violates the electromagnetic theory of radiation, and it can't describe the fine structure or of each atom or spectral lines of each atom. As per classical electromagnetic theory of radiation, if a charged particle revolves around a charged particle, then it continuously degrades its energy or releases its energy, and a time will come when it will fall down or die down in the center or nucleus. Around the positive charged nucleus, the electrons are revolving continuously. It implies that the electron will lose its energy gradually, and a time will come when it will fall down or die down in the nucleus. But that doesn't happen. Atom is maintained, atomic stability is maintained. It means that there is something wrong in Rutherford, which was corrected by Bohr by correcting the first postulates that yes, like the planets revolving around the sun, the same way the electrons are also revolving around the nucleus. But the thing is that the electrons have the capacity of staying in some fixed orbits. The orbital energy are fixed. They can't emit or they can't absorb any energy in its ground state. Hence,